Are there emergency loans with guaranteed approval? If you are facing a financial crunch and wondering if there are emergency loans with guaranteed approval, you are not alone. Many people find themselves in urgent situations needing quick cash. However, let's break down what this really means. From the perspective of banks and credit unions, there are no emergency loans with true guaranteed approval. These institutions follow responsible lending practices and must assess each applicant's creditworthiness. This means they look at your credit score, income, and ability to repay the loan before making any decisions. Typically, banks and credit unions requiring a minimum credit score, often around 600, and proof of steady income. Some may even ask for collateral if you are applying for a secured loan. These criteria are in place to protect both you and the lender. So, even if you need money urgently, approval is not automatic. That said, banks and credit unions do offer emergency personal loans. These loans can provide relatively quick access to funds compared to traditional loans. However, they still involve credit checks and verification steps. The approval process may be faster than other types of loans, but it is not guaranteed. On the other hand, some online lenders and alternative financial service providers advertise emergency loans with guaranteed approval. These offers sound appealing but often come with higher interest rates and fees. They may also have stricter repayment terms. From the viewpoint of banks and credit unions, these loans are riskier and not advisable as standard options. If you are considering an emergency loan, here are some practical tips. First, apply for loans with a reputable bank or credit union where your financial history is known. This can sometimes speed up the approval process. If you have collateral, consider applying for a secured loan, as these may have more flexible approval criteria. Be cautious about loans that promise guaranteed approval without any credit checks. These can be costly and may lead to financial trouble. Instead, look into credit union emergency loan programs, which often have lower rates and more personalized service than other lenders. In summary, while some lenders market emergency loans with guaranteed approval, banks and credit unions do not offer such loans. They provide emergency loan options that requiring qualification criteria to ensure responsible lending. Always do your research and choose a loan that fits your financial situation.